On Lyft, upfront pricing for drivers now is available in over 70 regions nationwide, which is great. But they are still randomly rerouting drivers automatically to a completely different ride at times. This has to stop. So say you've just accepted a request based on the upfront details. You know all the information. You know the pickup and drop off location, you know the duration of the trip, and you know how much you're going to be paid. You're minding your business, navigating to your current passenger, when all of a sudden, randomly, you're rerouted to a completely different ride, which you have no idea of those upfront details. How does this still exist under the upfront pricing model on Lyft? Again, under this upfront model now, drivers are accepting rides based on a number of factors, the main one being how much you're going to get paid. You know that fare up front. Also, depending on the time of day, you may be filtering out certain rides. There may be a busy time of the day where you want to just accept a bunch of short rides and stay near a downtown area. Or maybe you've just accepted a longer ride that's going to bring you nearer to home towards the end of your day. And then for Lyft to randomly and automatically reroute you to a completely different ride, of which those details, those upfront details for that ride, you have not had a chance to analyze and choose that ride. I have no idea how Lyft, when they released upfront pricing for drivers, would not have removed this feature from the driver app. I have now given just over 100 rides under the upfront pricing for drivers model on Lyft, and this rerouting, this automatic rerouting, has happened to me about 5 times. The first time it happened, I was like, I couldn't believe that it was still happening, but the actual ride that I was rerouted to was similar to the ride that I had just accepted, so I just went along with it. But the other 4 times this happened, I was rerouted to rides that were completely different than the ones that I had just accepted. Each time this happened, as soon as I was rerouted and saw it was a new ride, I just pulled over and canceled that ride, which in turn negatively affects my cancellation rate at no fault of my own. I never actively accepted these rides in the first place. Also, even if you turn off requests when navigating to your current passenger, you can still be rerouted. So if you've thought about trying that workaround like I did, bad news, it does not work. Again, upfront details are there for a reason now, and every request a driver accepts should be based on those details. So to randomly get rerouted to a completely different ride, which you haven't been able to actively analyze and choose based on the upfront details, is a terrible experience for drivers. Now, in my opinion, Lyft's upfront fare details are superior to Uber's in just about every way, which I applaud them for. Lyft's screen is cleaner, it's also colorized, they give you just the information that you need. But this rerouting feature is a major annoyance and needs to go away immediately. Thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, or subscribe, and drive safe. Thanks.